There's a good tree to climb. Further up on top of the mountain, still no accessible tree because they all grew up really freaking tall. Oh. I did not climb a tree, but I did climb the mountain. So that was a good 20 minutes. Yes, sir. That was a very good hike. Gotta reach for the top. Stay on the mountain. You can climb to the top of this tree. But every other tree is too freaking big because they grow up too big. Oh, we can go over here. What the hell? What the hell is wrong with you? Is that moss over there? Eating this tree up? All this trees was not like this before that hurricane came through, so Lord have mercy. It just destroyed a lot of shit. Look, there's my neighbor. There's old Lake Sheila. Look at that ugly ass tree. Ew. Makes me sick. Like that one. The problem is they're all poplars. All poplars are scrawny little trees you shouldn't really trust climbing up. Poplars just grow straight up, and then the branches are at the very top. Why don't people just use poplars for like log cabins? That shit everywhere. They grow abundant, they grow too much, and they just bam. Before anybody complains about, oh, we shouldn't be building houses with wood and shit like that. Oh, sniff my fucking foreskin. Who cares? But I do love it up here. Look at all these beautiful ass trees. Sure is pretty. We're gonna go investigate a creek head. Yay! Ah! Look at that little troll hole over there. I better not pay no troll toll. Holy shit. This is cool. Look at that. Look at that. Really cool. Yeah.